about the legal processes, the Australian and the Indian legal processes. However, India is party to various treaties and conventions. We believe into the supreme law of the land, that is the Indian Constitution, and also Article 26 of the Vienna Convention, that is telling us the principle of pacta sunt servanda, that is, pact is a treaty which has to be abided, which has to be followed. So international law, when we see, it is a customary law, or it is the sovereign states who are going to follow. But today we are not dealing with various international laws or various international principles. India being party to World Trade Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, we have been amending our laws to meet into the international standards. That is the law of patent, law of trademark, the Biological Diversity Act, the Farmers' Right and the Plant Varieties Act. Today we have Ferishta Madam with us, who has joined us all the way from UK. We also have Aute sir with us. All the other delegates, Aute sir is here, so we'll give him a round of applause. And with this, Aute sir is former Director General of Police and our Department of Law alumni. So, dear delegates, dear students, and all the colleagues from Australia and India, this is an interactive session where we are going to have discussions, deliberations, and debates into. So, more of the students for you to learn, and for more of us, the teachers, to learn and to understand the utilization of international law, application and implication into the domestic law. So with this, I take your leave, and I hope the gathering will be a good one, and I wish all the best to all of us. Thank you.
Distinguished guests, professors, and my dear friends, it is my tremendous honor to introduce our chief guest, Honorable Srimati Justice Sadhna Jadhav. Ma'am is a former judge of Bombay High Court. She completed her law graduation from Symbiosis College, Pune, and Masters in Law from University of Pune. And she started her practice directly at High Court of Bombay Bench at Aurangabad. On 12th August 1990, Ma'am joined the chambers of Advocate Sri Satyanarayan Loya at Aurangabad and worked with him till 1996. Her major practice was on criminal side. Ma'am was elevated as Additional Judge of Bombay High Court on 21st January 2012 and has adjudicated a number of notable cases concerning criminal offences, including the death of Chino Bora, the Adarsh Housing Society scam. Dr. Alka Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Law, University of Mumbai, to welcome and present memento to our guest of honor. We also have on the dais Mr. Brian S. Casey, founder and member at Murray Chambers, Adelaide, Australia. Mr. Harris has over 50 years of experience as lawyer and has been involved as a principal in major reviews of environmental, heritage, land use planning and other legislation, and he has acted as consultant to federal, state and local governments on the drafting of environmental planning legislation and local government legislation. He has also advised 3 state governments on the establishment of planning and environmental courts and jurisdiction of such courts. He is, in addition to his practice at the senior bar, acknowledged internationally in building legal and justice capacity in developing countries